Guys, Keaton Taco here. I'm with my truck. We're at home, and you know, I've been meaning to kind of take care of this, but if anybody else is having issues with this getting really damaged, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna fix it, and maybe you guys want to do the same. I found a paint very similar to this, and what color? It's probably a little bit darker, way darker. I'm not really, you know, concerned about that. So I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do this. First things first, I'm gonna grab a flathead or anything to help you remove this part. I'm gonna use a key. Put it in this little corner here, and then pry up. I'll put you guys down for 1 second. Once you get the clear the flathead in, just lift up, and you're done with the keys. After that, you'll see this. You come back here. Remove this push clip, and then this one, it's a little bit more difficult, but as this one, you can press here and remove that way. Okay, so let me see if I can set you guys somewhere. But basically you just push down and pull, and it should come out. Okay, so once you're here, you're gonna grab the Phillips and take out 1, 2, 3 screws, and then that comes out. And then this simply comes out. This one has a little bit of these little push things. It has a lot of them. I'm just gonna leave that in. We're gonna tape off the edge. We're gonna scotch pad and sand that down. All right, let me tape it up, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys. So I'm done taping. So I taped all around that edge. Now I'm gonna hit it with the scotch brite to just kind of roughen it up a little bit. If you have sandpaper, you can do that too. Just don't do nothing too coarse. You just want to roughen up the surface a little bit so that the paint has something to stick to. All right, so let me grab that, and I'll be right back. All right, so I don't know if you can tell, I kind of got the scotch brite and then kind of roughened it up. I'm gonna bring it over here, and actually I'll do it on top of the recycle bin, just because. Alright, y'all, so I'm using this Rust-Oleum. It's supposed to be 50% more durable, dries fast, ideal for car, metal, plastic, and fiberglass. It's a black stainless steel color. It's a little darker, not that bad. Let's check it up real fast, real good. Let's hit it. So when you're painting, let's say you're painting this piece of cardboard, you don't go, right? Because the first and the end is gonna be heavy. You wanna start at the outside. That way you get an even coat throughout, right? So look here, you have a lot. Look here, you have a lot. And then the middle is kind of bare. So start out on the outside edge and go all the way, right? Same thing when you're going up and down, right? Cool. So let's start this real fast. All right. Into the first coat. Actually looks pretty good. So I'm gonna let that kind of dry up a little bit, and we'll give it a second coat. That looks really good actually. Oh, let me bring this to the sun and show you guys. Let's give it another coat. And it looks like orange peel, but it levels out pretty well. So again, let me bring this over and show you guys what it looks like in the sunlight. It's pretty close, man. It looks really good. So this is as close as I can get to the factory color for the interior. So we'll give it 3 coats, and then yeah. So if you guys saw, or if you guys haven't seen, we have the parts to install the C4 fender liner kit. I'll probably do it this weekend and upload the video next week, or as soon as Willie is done with the editing. But yeah, I'm fucking excited. Super excited. And we'll give this another little wash. Should be easy to wash because Mr. Clean added, it doesn't feel like it's protected anymore, but I guess we'll see. But yeah, saw some stuff that I didn't really like right there, just some staining, probably from some spray that he used. So I don't know, we'll try Americano's detail on the truck, see how he does. So I leveled out. Give it one more coat. That's pretty good. I'm gonna leave it like that. Spray here. We'll leave it like that. We'll let it dry, and we'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like after it dried. The gloss went away. So I'm gonna take the tape off and reinstall into the truck. This is compared to stock. So you can see it's pretty close, really close. I actually do this side too. It's not damaged or anything, but just so that it matches perfectly. But yeah, you can see it's really close. Look at that. And again, that's black stainless steel from Rust-Oleum. Alright, so here it is. Alright, all painted up. I'm ready to go. I am gonna put it all back together, and yeah, it'll be just the reverse. Camera here. Actually, it's not really I can put the camera, but yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done. So here it is, already painted. Oh, looks really good.